Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy here with you Kevin and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel, and in this YouTube video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can record your laptop or your PC screen. Alright, so it's pretty simple, but the first thing is you want to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the video, shall we? So there are various applications you can use to record your screen of your laptop or PC. But like sometimes there's an inbuilt recorder. If you guys have a graphics card like Nvidia graphics card, you can just download the application and record your screen. But if your laptop or PC doesn't has a graphics card just like mine, then basically what you want to do is you want to download this thing called Streamlabs OBS. Its icon looks like this, so let me just take you to its website to show you guys how you guys can download and install it. So you want to go to your browser, you want to search for Streamlabs download just like this and click on where it says Streamlabs, the best free live streaming software, on the first link. Once you're over here, you can see this download button. You can click on it and the download will start. But if like clicking on this doesn't downloads this, you can always click on where it says download Streamlabs over here. Click on it and it will start to download. These are the two options. You can use whichever you want. After you download it and install it, it's gonna look just like this over here. And after it's downloaded and installed, you want to open it. After you install it and log in into your account, the interface is gonna look just like this. Now it's showing me all this stuff over here, but in your screen it's gonna show you nothing over here. It's gonna show you blank on both sides. So the first thing what you want to do is you want to create a new scene over here on this geometric madness side. Alright, so you want to click on this plus button and it's going to show you like new scene, and you want to add a new scene over here. After it shows you over here, if you want to name this scene, you can name it whichever thing you want, and you want to just click on done and new scene will be added over here. And after the new scene is added, you want to click on this plus button over here. After you click on this plus button, you want to click on where it says display capture. You want to click on display capture and click on add source. Wait for some time and this is your display capture, and you want to click on add source. And after this display capture is added, it's going to capture your display just like this. Now what you want to do is you want to click on where it's this setting button. You want to click on it and you want to choose the place where you want to save your video which is recorded. So you want to click on where it says output, and on output you want to go on where it says recording, and it shows you recording path. You can click on browse and you can choose whichever folder or file in which you want to save the video which is recorded. And after you do that, you're basically done. You want to just click on record. Do not click on go live. It'll ask you to go live on Twitch, YouTube and other stuff. You want to click on record. After you click on record, your recording will start just like this over here. My recording has started. And after you want to end this recording, you can come back, click on record again, and your recording will be stopped, and this recording will be saved wherever you chose your file to be saved. So yeah, that's basically how it works. So if you guys found our video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And this is my video. This is where it was saved. Let me show you guys. If you guys follow the steps like I showed you, it's going to record just like this. It's that simple. So yeah, have a nice day everybody. Bye-bye.